The handheld gaming world just reached its iPhone moment. For the last 3 years, we've been living in a golden age of portable PCs. But as of right now, the original Steam Deck looks like a calculator, and the first-gen handhelds feel like ancient history. The ASUS ROG Ally 2 has finally arrived in 2026, and it isn't just a refresh. It is a total scorched-earth reimagining of what it means to play AAA games on the go. If you are a gamer in the USA, you've probably felt the frustration. The battery dying mid-flight, the stuttering in high-end titles, the heat burning your palms. Those days are officially over. We are diving into a machine powered by the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme and a 2nm architecture that shouldn't even be possible in a handheld this light. In this video, we are going to break down why the ROG Ally 2 is currently the most wanted tech in America, the secret Xbox mode that Microsoft helped build, and why the Steam Deck 2 suddenly has a massive target on its back. If you own a handheld or are planning to buy one, pay attention to every second of this, because the specs we're about to reveal change everything. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the silicon. The ROG Ally 2 isn't just using a faster version of last year's chip. It is the debut of the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. To put that in plain English for the gamers in New York or LA, you are getting double the performance per watt compared to the original Ally. We are talking about playing Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield at 1080p, high settings, and hitting a rock-solid 60 frames per second without the device sounding like a jet engine. This isn't handheld-grade graphics anymore. This is entry-level desktop power sitting in your palms. The Z2 Extreme features a dedicated AI NPU, a neural processing unit, that uses machine learning to upscale your games in real time. It's called AMD FidelityFX Super Resolution 4.0, and it makes 720p footage look like native 4K. But the real headline, the thing that will make you want to throw your current handheld out the window, is the display. ASUS finally did it. The ROG Ally 2 features an 8-inch, 144Hz OLED tandem display. If you've seen the latest iPad Pros, you know what tandem OLED means. It is twice as bright and lasts twice as long. We are talking 1,500 nits of peak brightness. You could be sitting in the direct sunlight of a Florida beach or a bright park in Austin, and your screen will still look vibrant, contrasty, and perfectly clear. And because it's OLED, the blacks are perfect. When you're playing a horror game like Resident Evil or Alan Wake 2 in the dark, the immersion is on a level that no LCD screen can ever touch. The input lag has been reduced to sub-1 ms, making this the most responsive handheld ever made for competitive shooters like Valorant or Call of Duty. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, battery life. The original Ally was notorious for dying in 90 minutes. It was the commuter's curse. But for 2026, ASUS has implemented a 85Wh solid-state battery. This is a game-changer. Solid-state batteries are denser, safer, and don't degrade like the old lithium-ion ones. In our real-world testing, the ROG Ally 2 is getting a staggering 4 to 5 hours of gameplay in turbo mode and up to 10 hours in silent mode for indie games like Hades 2 or Silksong. You can finally take a cross-country flight from NYC